Make it work? Well, all right, Chef Johansson Gordon is the Chief Executive Officer of Yogi Foods, and he's here with a few dessert recipes that he says are quick and easy. But are they really? Because him can do it, it probably quick and easy to him. Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you again.
Welcome. Tell me about Yogi Foods.
All right, Yogi Foods started it about 2.5, 3 years ago. Operate from Maypen, Clarendon. I do caterings, desserts, pastries, also a pop-up at least once a month where I have single portion desserts for sale. All delivery, so I deliver wherever you are in Kingston or Clarendon or St. Catherine.
Okay, so you don't have a physical space?
Not as yet.
Is that the plan?
Eventually, yes.
So you cater to any amount, if it's a wedding and it's 300 people, as you would have, or
So far, the biggest catering I've done is 300 dessert portions.
Yeah.
And recently, I did my first sculpted cake in the shape of a handbag. So.
Oh, fantastic. What kind of lead-up time you need if I have been something?
At least a week in advance.
At least a week.
So preferably
even if it is a small amount.
Even if it's a small amount, at least a week in advance.
Okay. What have you brought this morning? Let's start right here.
All right, from over here, this is eggnog bread pudding.
Eggnog
bread pudding. In the spirit of Christmas, going with the Christmas flavors, eggnog bread pudding with a butterscotch caramel.
So this is like your idea. This is...
Well, I didn't reinvent the wheel, but this is my spin on it. And it's in individual portions, so if you want something for Christmas dinner, besides a traditional fruit cake, you can do this and serve it to your guests.
Regular Christmas fruit cake?
I wouldn't say regular because I made it.
Yeah.
But yes, Christmas fruit cake, super moist, and traditional Jamaican Christmas tradition.
What you put in there?
Alcohol, fruits, and some yogi secrets as well.
Yogi secrets.
And right here is my signature dark chocolate cookies with a dark chocolate ganache. Chocolate and chocolate, but it still complements each other.
Yep.
A nice milky bitterness and sweet notes as well.
You've brought some ingredients really just to tell us about what we can do. All right, let's go with that.
All right, so many of us will be baking this Christmas season. So a few tips for baking is when you're having your butter, make sure your butter is at room temperature before you start.
So don't take it out of the fridge.
Don't take, and it will also be tough. Make sure it's not too soft so that it's runny or oily, but it should be soft enough that you press your finger in it and it leaves a small indentation.
Take it out of the fridge, look a bit before you're ready to deal with it.
When you're creaming your butter and the sugar, cream it until the butter becomes pale.
Butter becomes
pale.
Pale.
So it shows that air has been incorporated and it helps the butter to become lighter.
Okay.
Eggs also should be at room temperature. And a tip, break your eggs in something separate before you add it to your batter.
Yeah. Why room temperature? What's the reasoning behind that?
When your ingredients are cold, the oven, when it goes into the oven, it doesn't rise as properly, and the chemical reaction that takes place.
Because almost like the oven when type of thing.
And by the time the inside cooks, the outside cools.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah. What else you brought?
Some regular flour. Sift your flour. Sift your dry ingredients. So your flour, baking powder, salt, and spices. Sift them to aerate it, remove any lumps, and anything else that might be in the flour.
All right. And then a nice little package.
Nice little package. This is one of my packages for my Christmas fruit cakes. So this is what I'll be delivering to all my customers who have ordered.
You said Christmas fruit cakes. Is there any other kind of Christmas cake, or all of them is fruit cake?
Well, different cultures have different
but in Jamaica,
traditions.
It's really fruit cake.
Really a dark fruit cake.
Okay. Going back to your catering as we come to the end of the interview, you're suggesting that anybody needs you for Christmas, they better call you like today.
Yes. My number is 849-5208, or you can catch me on Instagram at Yogi Foods. That's JOHGI. FOODS, or my personal Instagram page, JOHGI Foods.
Which is different from Yogi Bear.
Yes.
This is JOHGI. Question. You said you deliver only in St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Kingston.
For a certain order, so far my furthest delivery was recently in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. So if you have something that you want me to make, I'll be more than happy to deliver it.
And there would obviously be a delivery charge?
Of course, definitely.
Right. Good to see you.
Good to be here.
All
Thank
the best
you.
to you and your family. Chef Johansson Gordon, Chief Executive Officer of Yogi Foods, JOHGI. Up next, we speak of Unruly Fest. And remember, Empress has gone out. Brata starts in 10 minutes, and she'll be in Crossroads doing some wonderful stuff. So come.